Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another video with me, Rian, and today's video is going to be really interesting. As always, I love to show you some really unusual, cool places in Mumbai, and today I discovered a place that specializes in luxury watches. This is not a luxury watch store. This is actually an authorized service center where people polish, clean, maintain and do all sorts of fun things. It's like a magic laboratory inside this little center. So I discovered it because I love watches, and the guy who runs it, Sarosh, is like an absolute watch geek. So we're going to visit him today and see what's going on inside this cool magic laboratory and see what happens inside Luxury Watchworks. Join me and let's spend the morning with Sarosh. Okay guys, so we are here to meet Sarosh and we are in his office, so let's go. Hi Sarosh.
Hello Rian.
How are you?
Very well.
I'm so happy to be here.
Absolutely. Please come. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Sarosh, here we are hanging out with you. First of all, tell me and tell everyone out there, what do? You are like Mumbai's favorite watch geek. We love what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
So what is this whole Luxury Watchworks setup that you've got here?
So Luxury Watchworks is one of India's independently owned service centers. We specialize in repairs and restoration. We are family owned. The company was started by me. And I've spent roughly around 23 years in this industry. I have worked through most of the verticals that the industry can offer, and 3 years ago I began my entrepreneurial journey, and today we are here. We are authorized by 21 watch brands.
Wow, okay.
And the authorizations are as per standards. Brands visit us, brands evaluate us, brands see the equipment we have. We also accumulated a lot of specific brand tooling which is required for specialization and operation of very special watches.
And will you be able to show us some of that?
Of course.
Okay, so to understand,
I have 21
brands. So guys, if you have a luxury watch and if you need to get it serviced or repaired or something goes wrong,
yes,
you come here and get it done. It's authorized. So everything is being done. So you're not going to some shady place where you could damage your watch, so it's very important. And now hopefully Sarosh is going to show us around and show us what he's doing.
Sure, please come.
So guys, we are in this magic laboratory. There's like super geeky stuff going on here. Sarosh, what is this? There's this gorgeous watch going round and round and round.
This is primarily where we test all the automatic watches. So the machine is known as a Reglomat. So what it does is it mimics the operation, the movement of your wrist, and it takes it in a twin axis to keep the automatic watch functioning, winding it automatically. So
Okay.
this is where we test
That's
the
really
automatic
cool, guys.
watches.
I want to show you this. I'm going to ask the camera too. There's this whole set of drawers here with JLC tools, Panerai tools, IWC tools, tag tools. What do you mean by all these tools with all these brands? It's so cool.
Well, see, essentially, apart from the generic watchmaking, you need specialized tools to work on specialized watches. So these tools are specifically made by the brand themselves to support the watchmakers over here, to open them, to hold the movements. So these various dies and jigs are really special and made by the brands themselves.
Oh wow! So this all your stuff that would be used for a JLC watch is all in this drawer.
Yes, all the special movement holders over here. You have certain amount of tools for adjustments, certain dies, pins, spring holders.
So are you telling me that even
etc.
some of the tools are brand specific?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A lot of high-end luxury brands have complex mechanisms. They make their own movements, and hence specialized tooling is the call of the day. Without the specialized tooling, you will not be able to work on the same.
Yeah, these guys are doing something really complex. Sarosh, you're going to have to tell us
Well,
what's
right now-
going on right now.
One of our team members is just opening a Fargaduba watch. He's checking on the same. If Jagdish turn it over, here you have an automatic movement. The yellow colored wheel that you see moving around is your balance wheel over here, and Jagdish is checking the rotor, which is a primary component in automatic watches. Well, here you have one of our team members working on a Renaissance watch, which is a really special watch. This is just going into a service right now, so he's checking on the module, which is a supplementary function to the main movement inside the watch.
Can you tell me what this big dabba is?
So well, this is a UV gluing machine. So once the UV glue is applied to the crystal, the watch goes inside, stays on a timer till the UV light helps the bonding of the glue between the crystal and the case.
Okay. So I believe that you've got some cooler machines in the other room. So can we see those?
Absolutely, come
on, guys. So we've got this very exotic looking machine which apparently is an automatic cleaning machine for the watch. So we're going to zoom in and see what it's like.
Yeah. So all the little components that are there in the watch movement, okay, go into this particular tray over here, and this machine has 9 different kinds of programs depending upon what kind of solution and what kind of component that you're cleaning. All of it goes into these three various baths of different chemical compositions, and they clean all your components, and they are automatically dried, and then our watchmaker will take them back to the workbench. See, it's changing on the bath right now.
So guys, I promised you that we'd have a super fun time with Sarosh, the original watch geek. And so what did we see today? We saw the cleaning machine, we saw the polishing machine, we saw everything that you're doing here.
Yeah.
What is that thing called around?
It's called a Reglomat machine.
Reglomat machine.
Yeah.
Sarosh, I was really happy to spend the morning here with you doing this super fun video. I'm going to leave his details in the description, so if you want to go and check him out on Instagram and see what they're doing here at Luxury Watch Works. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave us a comment. Thank you, Sarosh. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, till my next video. See you. Thanks, Sarosh.
Thank you.